Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Use the following command to install the dante-server packages. Remove the default configuration file to make room for a fresh custom setup. Open the nano editor with the next command. Pass the following configuration into this file. Use the following command to create a new user. Set the password for the newly created user with the next command. Open the firewall to allow incoming traffic on the proxy port. Restart the Dante services to apply all the changes made in the configuration file. Use the following command to start danted on the system boot. After installing the danted server, install a Google Chrome extension to access the proxy server you just created. Once you configure it, all that's left is to connect your IP address will change and you can freely use your own proxy server. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.